we're here with Meissa. Could you introduce yourself, please?
Sure. My name is Rachel, Rachel Sumi Cho. I'm the Chief Business Officer at Meissa, and I'm pleased to be able to have an interview with you.
It's my honor. For a start, can you share with us a short brief on the brand, on Meissa?
Sure. Meissa is a construction, a technology, a startup. We're based in South Korea. We've recently started to expand this business over the globe, and we participated in this switch to promote and market this product in Southeast Asian markets.
Next question is, what are the benefits or changes Meissa can bring to the construction sites?
Sure. Meissa can bring the digitalization to the construction industry, specifically digital monitoring, that we help people to manage their construction site's progress by sitting on the chair with ease and a very quick way.
Last question would be, it seems Meissa is getting good attention from the global companies. What are the future plans for the global businesses?
That's a very good question. Meissa has been built its presence from South Korea. That we have a very strong strength in co-developing the features based on the research. Due to that history, we believe that we can make the success towards more of an industry-driven development. So in the future, for the global businesses, we see into the two pillars. One is a partnership-based, meaning that industry people who are in the construction companies, they can bring their values of subject knowledge about the industry. Meissa, as a technology experts, we can bring our values to have a consultation with them, and then bring them into the direction for the digital transformation. So by having the partnership will enable Meissa to expand this product over the globe. That's one part of the partnership. And the second part is about a digital twin. For now, we're having a concept of reality capture. This is not real-time based. We are aiming to go towards a technology called digital twin, which means you're 100% syncing with the offline site and the online site at the same time. So we are aiming towards a complete digital twin in the future in the global scene as well.
Alright, that's very interesting. Thank you so much for your time. All the best.